Our fathers have related to us the work you did in their days, in the days of old. You drove out the nations with your hand, but them you planted. You afflicted peoples and sent them out. For not by their own sword did they possess the land, neither did their own arm save them. But it was your right hand and your arm, in the light of your face, because you delighted in them. You yourself are my sovereign, O Elohim. Command deliverances for Jacob. Through you we push our enemies. Through your name we tread down those who rise up against us. For I do not trust in my bow, and my sword does not save me. For you have saved us from our enemies, and have put to shame those who hated us. In Elohim we shall boast all day long, and praise your name forever. Selah. Yet you have rejected us and put us to shame, and you do not go with our armies. You make us turn back from the adversary, and those who hate us have plundered us. You give us as sheep to be eaten, and you have scattered us among the Gentiles. You sell your people for no value, and put no high price on them. You make us a reproach to our neighbors, a scorn and a mockery to those round about us. You make us a proverb among the nations, a shaking of the head among the peoples. My reproach is always before me, and the shame of my face has covered me. Because of the voice of the slanderer and blasphemer, because of the enemy and avenger, all this has come upon us. But we have not forgotten you, neither have we been false to your covenant. Our heart has not turned back, neither has our step swerved from your way. Yet you have crushed us in the place of jackals, and covered us with the shadow of death. If we have forgotten the name of our Elohim, or stretched out our hands to a foreign mighty one, would Elohim not search this out? For he knows the secrets of the heart. But for your sake we are killed all day long, working as sheep for the slaughter. Awake, Why do you hide your face, ignoring our affliction and our oppression? For being is bowed down to the dust. Our body clings to the earth. Arise, be our help, and redeem us